Ready, set, bake. From round and star tips to drop flower, petal, and leaf tips, the Wilton 9-piece starter decorating kit tip set has everything you need to decorate treats for every occasion. Creativity. With this Wilton decorating kit, you can use the different shaped piping tips included to write multi-sized dots and pipe lines or decorate stars, zigzags, pipe flowers, leaves, petals, and more. Durability. Wilton piping tips are made of durable stainless steel. Carrying case is made of plastic. Care instructions. For best results, wash these Wilton piping tips in warm, soapy water before first and after each use. Carrying tip tray is dishwasher safe. Includes. Wilton piping tips decorating kit includes round tip 3, round tip 8, round tip 12, star tip 16, star tip 21, drop flower tip 224, petal tip 103, leaf tip 67. Top reviews from the United States. Great for beginner flowers. This is my first time ever trying to make something like this, and I think it went pretty darn well. Great kit in my book. I didn't catch this from the description, but you can just put all the tips back in the container and put the whole thing in the dishwasher. The case and tips are pretty small and fit great in my baking drawer. If I were to change anything, I wish they made taller flowers, but for the price I'm super satisfied. I used these in piping bags with no connectors and no problem.